Once I have the slope of the curve, then I have an m value, which I can use to put in to the equation of the line formula in order to find the equation of the tangent. So I know the point, 2, 6. I now know the slope. So the three inputs to that formula I have. So you don't input to the y, so that stays the same. Then the y1 value is 6. So I'm going to take away the 6 value. Then that's equal to the m times, so 19 times the x I don't change, so that's not inputable. Take away the 2. Okay. So once you're here, you're fairly much there, but you should simplify by removing the brackets. 19 times x is 19x. 19 times negative 2 plus by minus is minus. 19 times 2 is 38. Now, usually the leavers here want everything on one side of the line. I'm actually just checking the marking scheme. I don't know why it didn't display like that. Actually, I think they gave full marks for, if I'm looking back at it, they give full marks at this point. Now, generally, they want it in the form of ax plus by plus c. So that would assume that a is positive. So if you were leaving it like that, you bring the y across, it would change into a negative coming across. So 0 equals to 19x minus y minus 32. But they didn't say leave your answer in that form. So I've left it in the engineer's format. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now the m is the 19 and the c value is the y-intercept, which is where it crosses the y value or the y-axis. Okay, so that should be it for question 4. So as always, if you want to copy these notes, send me an email at shanetroy@gmail.com. Like and subscribe to get access to more playlists. And see you on question 5.